Because I have one, but I need to translate.
Satyavata Muni explained Mangalacharan. There are 3 types of Mangalacharan. First, Asirvad. The sound is not Shri. Hold on, sorry. Sudhir Goswami. You want to translate?
Will you go with me to hospital?
You want to go hospital?
House program.
House program today.
Just to translate.
Translate. I think I'll give him this. Can you do that? Sound is not clear. Yeah, that's better. Thank you.
महाविष्णु वेदांत श्री कृष्ण की भूमिका में हमारी संप्रदाय में एक ब्रह्मा जी ने अपने ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्ची तो आनंदमय विश्वास ईश्वर है वे सदगुरु आदि सर्व विष्णु और विष्णु तत्व के आदि सच्चिदानंद तात्पर्य पर ब्रह्मांड समस्त जगत की दुनिया समस्त ईश्वर के ईश्वर मूल अवतार में
He's reading, I can't translate this.
हम के साथ खेलने हाजिरी पर भी परम जीवित होते हैं उनका शिक्षा खाते हैं अपना हिसाब गोपियों की सभा में बारंबार पराजित हुए बड़े पर भी अपना सुधार कर सकते हैं आज के समय के साथ की इच्छा बनने के कारण रात के समय प्रज्वलितों के साथ रमन की इच्छा होने के कारण उन्हें लाया नहीं बुलाया ये श्री कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद अर्थात सच्चिद आनंद की अर्थात सत्ता ये परम निर्भर की सत्ता के सभी सदस्य को सत्ता विद्यमान है सभी से बताया गया जिसमें समस्त संबंध और भाव प्रकाशित होते हैं ज्ञान का सार है आत्म महाभारत के रूप में जब सब चीज को हम तीनों के साथ और कुछ श्री कृष्ण आश्चर्य भगवान के इससे आश्चर्य सिद्धांत के भाग हम शांति करा धर्मकुमार
Krishna is Sachidananda. Sat, Chit, Anand. Sat means Gyan. Chit means Gyan. Anand means Halad, pleasure, Haladini Shakti, pleasure potency. So these three things are in one. So Bhagwan is in three, in Brahman Roop, Jatimaya Roop means Brahman means the Jyoti, Brahma Jyoti. Advait Mayavadis, they have darshan of the Brahma Jyotis. So when you have darshan from very far away, then you can only see Brahma Jyoti. The sound is Jnani logs, how do they take darshan? They take darshan of Bhagwan in a Brahman Jyoti. Why? Because why they are taking darshan from very far away? So if they take darshan from far away, then you are not going to have full darshan. For example, there is a train coming
रेल पटरी पर
train on a platform for far away at night. From very far, what will you see? You will only see the light. And when the train comes nearer, then you will be able to see the engine and how many carriages there are. And then when it stops at the station, and then you will be able to see how the full train, you'll be able to see where it's come from, where is it going, and how many carriages it's got, seat numbers and carriage numbers and etc. You'll be able to see everything when the train arrives at the platform. So what it means is that Jnani log, they take darshan of Bhagwan from very far away. So it's called Jati Maya Brahma. And the yogi logs, they process so they are a little bit nearer Paramatma. So their darshan, the yogi is a Paramatma darshan, and bhakti log, the bhaktas, they are taking darshan of Bhagwan very near. So if you take darshan from, there is a vast difference if you take darshan from near and then from far away. How do the bhakta take darshan of Bhagwan very near? So they have purna, fully. They have fully the darshan of full Bhagwan, fully. But you will say, oh, it's same, right? Jnani looks are saying Brahma Jyoti. Yogi logs, they are taking darshan of Bhagwan as Gita say in the Bhagwan Gita. Bhagwan says, I am in everyone's heart as Paramatma. In the size of the thumb. Bhagwan is residing in everyone's heart. But Bhaktolok, they take, there's also two types of Bhakta. One is Aishwarya type and Madhurya Bhakta. From Vaikunth to Ayodhya, even Mathura, those Bhaktas are called Aishwarya Bhakta. Aishwarya, where the buddhi, like they think Bhagwan is Bhagwan, that he is great, and I am only small. In Madhurya Bhav, it's Lokit, like in Madhurya Bhav, like Brajvasis, they will have relationship with Krishna like a family, like a human, like what does it mean? That like they are happy in his happiness and sad in his sadness. So like you have a son and your son is sick, then also even you are not sick, right? But your health is good, but your son's health is not good. And also parents worry about their son. So like that, in Vrajvasi, they have so much love and affection for Krishna. So when Krishna is happy, then they are happy. When Krishna is sad, then they are sad. So Bhagwan, if when Bhagwan gets sick, like his fever,
ये सब अनेक लीला
so there are many different leelas like this.
कब बुखार होता है
When do you have fever? When did Bhagwan have? When did he have fever? Oh God. So
राधा जी की सती को सिद्ध करने के
in Madhusmita, when did Krishna have fever? I will make you remember. One time, Srimati Radhika said, I am leaving you. Why? I'm leaving you. Why? Because Kalankar means they talk about us.
इसलिए हम ये जगत में रहना नहीं चाहते
So I don't want to stay here.
पहले कलम राई कलम
Rai, it's called Rai Kalankar.
क्या
Radhaji, everybody,
राधाजी कृष्ण के साथ
they say in Radhaji loves Krishna.
और कृष्ण माइंड फसल की नहीं है तब
Sorry?
सब करने लगे राधी तुम
Taste.
अपने पति को
So, says Radha, you are leaving your husband and then you are with Krishna. So everybody is talking about Radhaji, saying this unchastised wife. So,
ये जो विवाह आदि ये सब केवल
so this vivah, this marriage is just external. So I gave you the promise in Golok Vrindavan that when Krishna said to Radharani, also come with me. I don't want to come where there is no Giriraj, Yamuna, there is no Yamuna, I don't want to name. There is no gopis, no guys, no cows. There's no Shama Kunda, Radha Kunda. So I don't want to come with you. So Krishna is saying, by the Yogmaya's arrangement, I will make everything come on this earthly planet. So without you, how can I do my Leela? Ada. So without Krishna, without Radha, Krishna is half. So Krishna said again and again, please come with me. Then finally, she agreed. Without you, I will not look at others. Krishna Vina, without Krishna, I don't want to take anyone's darshan. Krishna Mahi Radha, Prema Mahi Radha, Radha Prema Mahi Krishna, Prema Mahi Radha. So wherever Radha puts a glance, she sees Krishna. Wherever her glances fall, she sees Krishna. Radha said, I will appear with my eyes shut. First, I will have darshan of only your darshan. Krishnamai. Krishnamai. There is nothing for Radharani other than Krishna. She has total nistha in Krishna. Other than Krishna, she has no one. Wherever her glances fall, she sees Krishna. Wherever her eyes go, she sees Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Jatila and Kutila, they are saying
ये पे भी
that
श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण
she's unchaste wife. Without anyone, she will not even touch Krishna. Radharani doesn't touch anyone other than Krishna.
किसी के साथ
So, when you get married, then the bride and the groom, they hold their hands.
कृष्ण ही कृष्ण रहता
Krishna Mai.
अंतरे भाई दादर नित्य पूरे आप कृष्ण से दूसरी पुरुष के लिए
So, she doesn't even touch another man. Even the other avatar of Krishna, she doesn't touch. Let go of other men, but she doesn't even touch the avatar of Krishna.
अवतार नहीं अरे कोई उसके लिए कोई बोली नहीं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना
Brajendra Nandan, she will not touch anyone other than Brajendra Nandan.
श्रीमती राधिका के इतना निष्ठा है
She is so much nistha in Krishna
किसी अवतार
that she will not even touch any other avatar of Krishna.
सारे अवतार कृष्ण से ही
Even the avatars have manifested from Krishna,
तत्व सिद्धांत में
are the expansions of Krishna.
तत्व सिद्धांत में राम कृष्ण
In the Shastra, there is whatever all the avatars are there, Ram. There is no difference between Ram and Krishna. And the ras which are, there is difference. But there's a Leela Vasistha, Prema Vasistha. What is the speciality of those avatars? But still, Radharani will not even touch the avatar of Krishna. So, without Brajendra Nandana, she does not touch any other person, other man. But these people in material world, they don't understand that. So when she got married with Abhimanyu, the Krishna. So then Krishna, when Krishna, it was Krishna's hand. That so who did she actually get married with? Krishna, not Abhimanyu. But people think that Krishna got married to Abhimanyu.
जैसे हम मंदिर बनने जाते हैं
When we go to Bandirvan, Radha, you can see that Radharani got married there.
तो राधा जी पर
With Krishna. So they have got a kalank. Kalank means unchaste. That she's unchaste.
राधा जी कहने लगी संसार में रहना क्या
So Radhaji is saying, what's the point of me staying in this world? I might as well leave. Wherever there is no respect and they speak bad about you, then what's the point of staying in that place? So Radharani is saying, I will leave. Krishna says, I will remove this unchastised attitude everyone has about you. So what happened to Krishna? Krishna had a bukhar, had a fever. This is Braj Leela. Even in Dwarka Leela, Krishna has a fever. But here, this is Braj Leela we are talking about. Everybody knows about the Dwarka Leela fever. So, do you remember when I... Yeah. Radhaji. So, Krishna had fever. So, the Ved came, the doctor came, but none of the medicine worked on Krishna. And slowly his fever increased. And then Krishna himself. So Ved said, I'm giving one medicine, but you need some water.
पानी दो, कौन सा पानी?
So is it water? You need water with this for to take this medicine. You need water. Which water? Yamuna's water.
तो ये कौन सा बड़ी बात है सबको याद
So everybody thinks, okay, what's the big thing about that?
जो सती नारी है,
So somebody who is a chaste woman,
कभी परपुरुष के कभी
she has never touched any other woman. Not only touched, but not even looked at any other man.
मान सुंदर
Any other man.
याद होगी फिर वैसे क्या कर रहे हैं ये देखो
So
इसके बीमार हो जाते हैं
when somebody is sick,
माता पिता दवाई देने से काम नहीं करते
when the mother and father gives the medicine, they don't get sick. So Krishna came in the form of a doctor, not as a mother and father. He left his mother and father, and
वैसे भी जानते हैं माँ सुंदर की ज्यादा चिंता है
so
और एक बाल की
so mother has got more worries about the son. So the Ved said that the water should not be collected from by the mother. So when your daughter or son gets sick, then you give medicine.
किंतु यहाँ पर बेचने के
But here the Ved said, no, this medicine won't work by the hands of the mother or father.
ब्रज में सभी कृष्ण के लिए चिंतित हैं
Everybody in Braj is worried about Krishna.
और देखो बोले सबसे सती नारी कौन है ब्रज में
So who is the chaste woman in the Braj is Chatila and Kutila. So they called Chatila and Kutila.
बिगला बिगला रामचारी ये कौन सा है
So they thought, oh, what's this? We are chaste women. So in this pot, they had thousands of small holes.
ऐसे शेर बड़ा ऐसे पानी भरते
So you have to
एक बूंद भी पानी
fill this pot with water, and not one single drop of water should fall.
बिगला बिगला भरा लेके चल पड़ते
So Jatila and Kutila carried this water from the Yamuna, and halfway their pot was empty.
घर में छेद है दिखाई
So because you can see there's holes in the. So if you bring water in a pot where there's holes, so
आधी रास्ते में को बड़ा करके
so Jatila and Kutila, she brought water from the Yamuna in this pot with holes. So halfway all the water was finished. So everyone said, "Oh, Radharani, you go and collect water." So she went to collect water from the Yamuna. Krishna is Bhagwan, right? So at the one time he can be in many different different places. So when Radhaji started to collect water, whatever she in the holes, so she saw Krishna in all the holes in the pot. So see, that is Bhagwan. Bhagwan can be in different places at the same time, but yogis also can be. So like Surba. So 50 of them were produced, and he got married to 50 kanyas. Krishna also in Dwarkapuri, he expanded and married to 1,008 queens. So Jogi, in the Yogis, whatever so it will be one yogi, like yogi will expand, but a yogi, that one original form will be in that other forms. But with Krishna, he will be, every form will be original, like, so he will expand to each and every place. And then,
इसके साथ कुछ भी कर देता है
so,
और अनेक रूप में
So in different group,
एक योगी और
a yogi.
कृष्ण योगी।
So this difference, yogi, between difference in Krishna is called Yogeshwar. He is the Ishwar of yogis.
तो इसलिए कहने थे जब राधा जी पानी भरने
So when Radhaji went to collect water,
कृष्ण समस्त क्षेत्रों
so Krishna himself covered all the holes with himself in the pot, and not even one single drop of water fell on the ground. So everybody saw that and they were surprised. So what is Satinari? Who is a chaste woman? Is not Jatila and Kutila. For the ego they had, Jatila and Kutila had ego that they are chastised. But really, who is a chastised woman in Vraj? Is Radharani. So this is a Leela of fever. So who is Satinari? He is a Srimati Radhika. Bhakti Vinod Thakur saying in Banglagi Kirtan, however, all the Satinaris, they all glorify Radharani's lotus feet. Fever. So when the Bhakta comes very near Bhagwan, then they serve Bhagwan from very near. There's two types of seva. One is Nikat seva and one is Far seva. When sadhak is doing bhajan, when they have that Manjari Swarup, and they have manifested that Manjari Swarup, they also have to serve. There's two types of seva. One is Nikata seva, near, and one is Far seva, far. Nikata seva is, who does Nikata seva is? Radhaji is very near Manjaris, very near and dear. There are 5 types of Sakhi: Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Pran Prishta Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Priya Sakhis are Manjaris. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Lavanga Manjari. They are very near, very, very near seva. They do very, very near seva. The sadhak, when they are doing sadhan bhajan, and when they come to a bhav stage and they've got this swarupa, rupa, and they have got manjari swarup. So that sadhak, when they've got their manjari rup, they do that far seva. So like go and collect some flowers. So that is called seva from far. So there is one is independent seva, and the other seva is under the shelter of other manjaris. So the manjaris that are very, very nitya siddhas, they are very close to Radharani. They serve independently. So they are doing today what Leela, according to the Leela, what Leela is going to happen to, they will know what will please Radharani. So their seva is called Satantra, means independent. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari. No, Lalita and Vishaka Sakhi. Here I'm talking about Manjaris. So Sakhis are Lalita and they are Pran Presta Sakhi. But here I'm talking about Manjari Sakhis. Lalita is a chief Sakhi. Lalita and Vishaka, they don't come. Who will come in the kitchen? Like Lalita and Vishaka may say, Let's make a menu. Oh, like, this is not on. This is not on.
अच्छा इतना ही
This is not on. Yes.
ये तो बनाने की जो कला जो है
So to prepare this, who is it? Who does this? The kala to prepare for the preparation. Who does it? It's Manjaris do it.
यहाँ पर लड़का विशाखा भी
Where even Lalita, even there Lalita and Vishaka cannot independently do seva there. So they have to also take instructions from Manjaris. I can't see his face from here. No, that so yeah. So Pran Saki. So very beautiful leelas are happening. They have to, even the Pran Presta Shakis, the Shakis have to take permission from the Manjaris. Even Lalita and Vishaka, sometimes Lalita and Vishaka have a more respectable bhav to what's Radhika. Even they have to take permission from the Manjaris. So this is the speciality of Manjari Bhav. So in Gaudiya Vaishnav, so why are so eager all the Gaudiya Vaishnavas? Why are we eager to have this Manjari Bhav? So in Ujjwal Nirmali Granth, it's described very beautifully. So the bhav that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came, he appeared in this world to give us this bhav. Anarpati Chiram Charuk. So Mahaprabhu Gaur Sundar, who is giving prem, he is giving prem. Which prem? Not ordinary prem. Sarvatam means Uttam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving he's giving the topmost prem. Who is there to accept this? Who wants this prem? So Manjari Bhav's Katha. So before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, nobody mentioned about Manjari Bhav. It is Nitya Vastu, it's there, but it never was. You cannot say it wasn't there. Manjari Bhav wasn't there. You cannot say it's always been there. But it wasn't, it's Nita, but it wasn't Prakash. It wasn't told about it in this world. So like the sun is Prakash, but in different places. Sorry, I didn't get that. So you cannot say that Manjari Bhav was never there, and then because Mahaprabhu came, then Manjari Bhav appeared. No, it's eternal, but it was not mentioned. It was not Prakash. There was no Prakash. It was not known. So like Surya has got the sunlight. Now winter's coming. Yeah, there is still Surya's sunrise. Sun rays are there, but we get less of sun rays because the winter's coming now. So in the sunrise in June, July is very hot. In the winter it's less. So like December and January, there won't be any much sunlight. In the next 2 months, it will be cold. So the Rashmi, the sunlight, is less.
ये नहीं कह सकते जो देख
But we cannot say we don't see the sunlight in winter, but we cannot say those sun is not there. The sunlight is not there.
ये कहते हैं महात्मा के पहले
So before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, nobody mentioned about Manjari Bhav. Chandidas, even in those Granth,
सभी भाव
they have mentioned about Sakhi Bhav,
ललिता विजयता आदि
Lalita Vishaka's Bhav. Lalita Vishaka Shakhi's Bhavs have been mentioned in those books, but not about Manjari Bhav.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and
अपने नित्य परिकरों के
and with his Nitya Parikas like Rupa Goswami, and then he mentioned about Manjari Bhav.
समाज पैसे उन्नत उज्जवल होता है स्वयं आस्वादन
He's tasting it.
और
He's tasting this Manjari Bhav and distributing it.
मंदिर भाव जाते हैं और करके देखो कितने सुंदर
And then he's distributing and he's saying, oh, how sweet it is.
तारपर ये सब कुछ प्रकाश
He's relishing and giving it to others to relish.
तो इसलिए करें मंदिरों की सेवा
So, Manjari Seva
जो रावण के जो है मंदिर नित्य सखी और
Radha says as Nitya Sakhi and Pran Saktis they are Manjari Bhav.
जब इसकी आलोचना देवेंद्र ग्रंथों में
In the Jaiva Dharma Granth, Bhakti Vinod Thakur has also mentioned, you will, that's why you should read the Granth. You should study the Granth. What is the purpose of studying the Granth? So you will know about the Bhav, and then the Bhav can come in your heart. So if you think, oh, everything can happen with just Harinam, yes, that's true. But when you are doing Harinam, you can meditate on these Leelas. What is the Seva? Then you know what is the Seva of Manjari. So you want, okay, you're doing Harinam, but you should know what you want from Harinam.
सिद्धि के भाई ने कहा केवल मानकर पप को समझा साधन अवस्था में
In the sadhan stage, you should meditate on these different types of bhav. That's why Narottam Das Thakur,
सिद्धि के भाई ने कहा केवल
So-
मानकर पप अपवन अभ्यय
Pakka means and matured and immature. Mature and immature. Paripakta and aparipakta means mature and immature.
केवल पप और अपवन
Pakta and apakta. It's like
एक कच्चा आम है
is one is they both are mango, right? But one is like a raw mango, and then one is ripe mango. And then when the mango gets more ripe, it gets more sweeter.
हम जब बिल्कुल कच्चा आम रहता है
Like when we are kacha, raw, green mango. So when the green mango ripens and matures,
और इसके बाद जब
and then after it gets ripe, what color? So the color of the skin changes. First it's green is raw mango, and then you get unripe mango. Then it becomes very kumkum, like reddish orange.
जब हम पूर्ण रूप से जब पक जाते हैं
So when it's completely ripe, the mango is completely ripe, then it becomes yellow, golden yellow color. Then it's very, very sweet. So that golden complexion,
तोते के द्वारा
so like when the parrot has touched the ripened mango, then that mango is even more sweeter.
हम तो एक ही है
So aam is one, mango is one,
मैच्योर
but it's a different stages. It's immature and mature stages. There are stages from immature to mature.
पहली श्लोक में
So
मंदिर भाव की प्रकाश
So in the first slok,
कई श्लोक
in the first slok, Raghunath Das Goswami
हम रूप मंदिर कविता बोले उसमें हे रूप मंदिर
is saying, "Hey Rupa Manjari,
तुमको ब्रज में
you
सती शांति
you are a wife, you are sati, you know you are a chaste wife in the Vraj." Raghunath Goswami is telling to Rupa Manjari. So he's speaking this. He's in his transcendental form, in his spiritual form.
तुम ऐसे
So she saying that, "Hey Rupa Manjari, you are so chaste. You don't even look at other men."
ब्रज में सब लोग
So everybody knows in the Braj that you are chaste lady. But I've seen that in the last few days your husband's away from home. So like on your lips there's a red mark. Where has this red mark come from?
इसकी कहा जाता है
That's called,
बंधन होते जाए सुंदर भाव में
that is such a beautiful bow. That's Madhurya bow.
तुम्हारे होठों जो है
So on your lips,
के वे बिंब फलते हैं
your lips are like bimba fruit.
कोई सुख जो है बड़ा
It's
सुख
like a parrot
आपको
has, and they've seen this bimba fruit and they have picked on it, like they've.
इसके भावों के तरफ कैसे सुंदर भाव करती है
So all this power. So when would you get all this power?
पहली श्लोक में बस
Even in the first slok, his this slok is the bow between Rupa Manjari and Rati Panjari.
तो इसमें तो भाव नाम इसलिए कह रहे हैं संत चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So I'm saying this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with Rupa and Raghunath Das. So all the bhavs they prakash through Rupa Manjari and Rati Manjari. So without kripa of Mahaprabhu, how can all these bhavs be manifested?
केवल हरि काम दे राधा और महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगत की जाना प्रेम रस सीमा प्रेम की सर्वोत्तम सीमा
So the prema, where is the limit of the prem? Where is the limit of this prem? You can get to the stage of like Radharani's prem, but not. So this Radharani's prem is unlimited.
राधा महिमा
Radha Mahima Prema.
श्री गौरंग
If Mahaprabhu was not here, then how would we know all these Radharani's bow?
और क्या क्या
If we say if Narayan wasn't here, Narayan Maharaj wasn't here, then how would we know all the Manjari bows? नहीं तो So if Gurudev wasn't here, if Gurudev didn't come in this world, then who would have told about all these vows? This is Sajias and they speak about these vows, but that's not a pure vow they speak about. But if Gurudev wasn't here, he in his Harikatha and in his books, he's spoken and written about all these vows.
है अधिकार में
So who is not even qualified, he was still giving all this to this. Even still, even if you were nonsense, then our Gurudev, if you want to, yes, if you want to remember Gurudev, then you have to remember Gurudev in this way, that how much he gave us. Other acharyas kept it hidden. They know it. They know it. We cannot say they don't know, but they didn't speak. But our Gurudev, and he spoke openly.
ऐसे नहीं
It's
सही भजन के
so they
वो भजन की बस
he did bhajan himself and gave all these vows and spoken vow to everyone. So this Manjari Seva vow is very beautiful vow.
एक जीव भजन करके
So when the sadhak is doing bhajan and they attain the Manjari stage, so the Nitya Parikar, like Rupa Manjari and Rati Manjari, their seva is Nitya Parikar's seva is near seva, and also independent seva. Even Sakhis like Vishaka and Lalita, they are not independent seva. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, Nikunja, you know, Rati Kali Siddha. So, Vande Guru Shri Charanara Vrindam. Nikunja, Rati Kali. So, even the Lalita and Vishaka Shaki, they don't get this. So, Manjari is, so these Leelas, they are doing independent seva. So the jeev that is doing sadhan bhajan and have attained their swarup, so they what they get? They get seva. Which seva do they get? They get seva of under the shelter, under the guidance of Manjaris. Chandan. So who does the Chandan? Okay, she her seva is Chandan seva, and her name is Chandanvati. But her seva is to prepare Chandan, and then she gives this Chandan to who? Then she gives it to Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Manjari herself or Rati Manjari herself will put it on Radharani's forehead. So only Nitya Siddhas, they can, Nitya Manjaris do this direct seva. So sometimes they are merciful and give us kripa to the these Manjaris, other Manjaris. So one is the Nikata seva and one is Dura seva. One is independent seva and one is under the guidance seva. Gurudev used to mention this in Katha, but he didn't speak everywhere. Otherwise, you'll become sahaja. Sadhan bhajan, if you don't do sadhan bhajan, and you want to hear these very high class kathas, so you're not adhikar. So if you're not qualified, you have not done sadhan bhajan, you haven't done any sadhan bhajan, and then you want to hear all this high class katha, then you meditate on it, then it's, if you're not qualified, so
इसमें हमें क्या
So that's why what do we have to do? We have to become qualified. The Sajias, they don't want to chalo, they just, you go and straight away they give you Manjari Bhav. You are this Manjari, you are that Manjari, without any qualification. Then what happens? You just,
इसलिए शास्त्र में लिखा है जी कहाँ तक वो पहुंच सकते हैं हम
so Jeev, the 5 stages, these five relationships with Krishna, 5 moods, Sandhya, Vatsalya, and Shakha and Madhurya. In the Shringa Ras is not everywhere. You may see Vatsalya Ras.
सिंगारस की कथा जो है
The Shringa Ras Katha is very confidential.
ये वास्तव में तक आलोचना कर सकते हैं
So Vatsalya Ras Katha is openly. You can speak about Vatsalya Ras openly. How the relationship is with Jashoda and Gopal, how she is serving Gopal, how she is feeding her breast milk. But
किंतु जहाँ पर माधुर्य रस
but where there is Madhurya Bhav, then there is a risk that you would think badly about that Leela. So you should keep it very confidential. So you should put the clothes on Thakurji very nicely.
अधिकार प्राप्त कर
First, you become qualified.
पहले अपने मानव से
Because first you have to become qualified. Sadha, Shraddha, Sadhu Sang, Bhajan Kriya, Nistha, Ashakti. You can reach up to Ashakti,
अनर्थ निवृत्ति कैसे
Anartha Nivriti. How? We should know what is Anartha, how many types of Anarthas are there. Duskrita, Sukriti, Anartha and Aparadha. There are 4 types of Anarthas. 4. 4. Swarup Vigam, Ashakti or Durlabha and Aparadha. We should know all the types of Anartha. Why? Because that is fire. So we should know about fire. Gunja, you know the gunja, like red fruit. It's like a red fruit. If there is a gunja full here, if you think it's like a fire, and then you touch, then nothing will happen. But then if it's real fire and you put your hand there, then your hand will get burned. So we should know what is the real fire and what looks like fire. So we should know. So you should know what is fire. If you don't have the knowledge of fire, this is fire, then what you, the little child, the young child will touch the fire because he doesn't know what fire is. But once he's touched the fire and then he got burned, then he will realize what's fire. So Shastra Gyan is very necessary that you read the books. The third type of Gyan, Jiva Brahma Gyan. So this is the necessity of studying the scriptures, otherwise you'll become sajias. So you should know the tattvas, tattva gyan, tattva gyan. So you should know the gyan, the knowledge of Bhagavan, and the other gyan, the impersonal gyan. You should know what Atma is.
और दूसरी नेचर स्वभाव क्या है?
What is the swabha? What is the nature of the Atma?
इसके साधन भजन की प्राथमिक
So-
अवसर कैसे चाहिए?
So you should.
हमें क्या करना चाहिए?
So we should do.
ना भगवत
We should know the sadhan Bhagwan. Who is Bhagwan?
स्वरूप दर्शन
What is the swarup of Bhagwan? What are the
ईश्वर समग्र वेद दर्शन
Ishwarya Vish? What are the qualities of Bhagwan? What are the guns of Bhagwan?
स्वरूप लक्षण पुरुष है।
So what is the swarup lakshan? And what's you should know.
क्योंकि वस्तु की जब हम ज्ञान नहीं होगा
If we don't have any knowledge, then we will be lost.
इसमें तो वस्तु नहीं है। इसे तत्पदार्थ करते हैं।
Tattva kya gyan, sampak gyan,
जीवन
jiva. Jiva, what is jiva?
इसके बारे में जानना चाहिए।
You should know.
इसमें तो ध्यान समंदर
You should know samandha gyan, relationship gyan, then abhidaya tattva.
समंदर जान करके हमें भजन भी करना चाहिए
We have to do our bhajan
और ऐसे भजन
and with the relationship. Then what is our goal? Then prayojan. So we should know prayojan, abhidaya, sambandha.
तत्व ज्ञान सुना उसकी क्या हो जाए
So when I speak about tattva gyan, then you fall asleep.
रस ज्ञान की कथा
When then rasagan tattva, then your eyes are open. So everybody wants to eat rasgulla, but you don't know whether your stomach will be able to accept the rasgullas or digest rasgullas.
ये नहीं सोच रहे हमारे
So we are not thinking that our stomach is not able to digest. So read that much, that how much you can digest.
यहाँ लग जाए इतनी दाय शिशु दर परायण करने के बाद कृष्ण और उदर
Shishnu and Udar. No.
ज्यादा लालसा तो क्या करना
Jiva. Jiva. The tongue wants so much taste. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, so
मने मने सिद्धयो कोरिया भगवान भक्ति दिने या कृष्णे परम
so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bangla. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is
और वहाँ तक उसके जीवन से
so, and also here read Raghunath Das Goswami's
सुंदर
autobiography.
और उसके हम
And
अपने जीवन में लागू करते हैं
and we have to bring that in our
इसलिए
heart.
ये सब कहते भाई ने तब सिद्धांत को शुरू कर दिया कृष्ण भगवान
So everybody, so we don't want to know whether Krishna is Bhagwan or not.
विश्वासी
So Brajvasi, not we have Brajvasi. Who is Brajvasi? Rupa Goswami,
ललिता विशेषा
Lalita, Vishaki, Nanda, Jashoda. They are Brajvasis.
विश्वासी जन के क्या करते हैं?
So
उसी की कार्यता है
who do we call Brajavasi? They are Radha Atmik, Raga Atmika.
उनके हृदय में स्वाभाविक रूप
They're in their heart, spontaneous. All these vows are already. Their love, they have love and affection. Therefore, Krishna is spontaneous in their heart,
और उनके अंग
and they are called Atmika. And we are doing the bhajan under their shelter. They are called Raganuga. So Nanda Baba, they are Nitya Parikar. Radha, Lalita, they are Krishna's Parikar. They are a manifestation from Haladini, Radharani Shakti. You cannot become Lalita or Vishaka. You cannot say, I am Lalita, I am Vishaka, I am Nand Baba, I am Jashoda. This is called Anga. I don't know, sorry, I didn't get that word.
बहुत खतरनाक है।
That is very dangerous.
हम कृष्ण के वात्सल्य भाव में सेवा करें,
I am serving Krishna in the Vatsalya Bhav, but I'm serving under the shelter, under the guidance of the Nitya Parikas.
अभी यदि कृष्ण के वात्सल्य भाव में सेवा करना है,
If you want to serve Krishna in Vatsalya Bhav, then you have to take a shelter and serve under the shelter of Jashoda Maya and Nanda Baba.
राधा जी की सेवा
And if you want to serve Radharani, then the seva should be done under the shelter, under the guidance of Manjaris. You cannot say, "Oh, I am Radha, I am Lalita." Then that is Sajya.
जैसे तत्पदार्थ ज्ञान संपदार्थ ज्ञान,
That's why you should know the Gyan,
और तीसरी ज्ञान क्या है?
with Brahma. Third Gyan is about knowing about Brahma, that I am Brahma. That Brahma, that Gyan, you have to reject.
यदि कहते अधिकार को प्राप्त करें,
So first you have to become qualified. How to get rid of the anathas, how to purify your heart.
कथा सुनने के लिए मना नहीं करते,
So we are not saying that you shouldn't listen to the Harikatha, but Archana, you should.
ये मैं ही राधा हूँ,
If you think I am Radha,
गड़बड़ हुआ है।
then problem.
सुनने के लिए कहीं मना नहीं करते,
They're not saying you shouldn't read the Shastras.
एक है अनुकरण,
One is called Anukaran and Anusharan. Anukaran and Anusharan. Anukara means I am that, and Anusharan means under the guidance.
अधिकार मानवीय सिद्ध व्यवहारी विभजय बुद्धिता,
Following their footsteps.
पहले अपने लिए जान,
First, you should know yourself.
पहले बोले आप अपने मंदिर भाव,
So they say, Gurudev, give me Manjari Bhav. But first, you should know who you are.
तुम्हारे अपने तो आँख को खोलो,
First, open your eyes.
आँख नहीं खोल करके
If you don't open eyes and your eyes are shut, and then say, "Don't give me Manjari
क्या
Bhav."
बोलेंगे? बोले आँख को खोलना चाहिए,
You have to open your eyes.
बातें सही की,
Isn't that true?
एक व्यक्ति आँख बंद करके
So, if one keeps his eyes shut and says, "Hey, Gurudev, which direction?" So, which direction is it? So, he's blind.
खोलना पड़ेगा,
So, you have to open the eyes to see which direction. So,
अरे वो आत्मदर्शन बोले अपने को पहचानो,
so first learn, know yourself.
पहले अपने को देखो क्या,
First look at yourself and then open your eyes and see.
माँ कृष्ण गोपाल को दिखाते हैं,
Mother Jashoda is saying to Gopal, open your eyes.
गोविंद के गिरा,
Waking when she's waking Govinda, she's saying, "Hey Jashoda Maestra, open your eyes." So even the Sakhis,
गिराते सुख साई गिराते हैं, यानी गोकुल गोविंदो ऐसे गिरा, उस कंधे से सुंदर राम रे श्री कृष्ण
so in the Mangal Arti proper, small Mangal Rata. So make up our heart Sumangal Rati. Rati means come and please give this power in our heart. Arti, when we do Arti, Arati, what is Arti means Rati. Bring this Rati in our heart. So we should know the powers of Krishnas and Radhas. So,
जब उन्नत स्तर में चले जाते हैं
so,
ज्ञान आदि को क्या देते,
so,
आदि हो जाते हैं, अच्छे ना जग जाता है,
so those people who don't read the books and they don't, you should.
कोई से जवाब है,
So when you have a Shastra Gyan, then it becomes Aishwarya Bhav. So what does Yog Maya do? that she covers that gyan that yes, it's true, Krishna is Bhagwan,
किंतु विश्वासी लोग
but Brajvashis,
मानते नहीं।
they don't believe that.
उनका अंदर में वैसे से भाव है, किंतु
And
उसको
they
भाव कैसे रहा?
say they have Ishwarya Bhav, but it's covered with
लेकिन
Madhurya
वो
Bhav.
ईश्वर जो ना माने, वही। ब्रज में
Braj mein there is so much Ishwarya there. Even that much Ishwarya is not in Vaikuntha. Even all the bhavs, Ishwarya Bhav, all the Vaikuntha Bhav is put all in one pot, and then a Braj Bhav is put on the scale. Then the Braj Ishwarya Bhav will be heavier
हल्का है।
than the Vaikuntha Ishwarya Bhav.
इसलिए आप लोग सब क्या है?
So you are sitting on the ground. So you are Jamindar, means own landowners, and I'm Chokidar. Chokidar is sitting up.
और जैसे कि हाँ तो बोलो,
हाँ.
हाँ से हम मिला, बोले आप क्या करेंगे? बोले इससे क्या है? बोले आप चलोगे नहीं बोलोगे?
So he said, हाँ. So he said, yeah, agree with me.
हम देवी के थोड़ी दास है।
I don't need.
किसके दास है?
I am not a das. I am not a das of a aubergine. You know the what is
हाँ से
eggplant. I am your das. So it's like
आप क्या बोलते? उसमें है सब ज्ञान तो है,
all the gyan is there, but by the arrangement of Yog Maya, it's covered. So sometimes in the Viradasa, in the separation mood, it comes out. It comes out. This. So in Brahma Gita, Radhaji is saying, "Hey Brahman, why are you speaking so much qualities about your Prabhu? I know his bad qualities. I know his 3 lifetimes, not only 1 lifetime's katha." So Radha is very strongly speaking to the bumblebee. So Radhaji say, "No, I will give you. I'll speak about his Ram Katha." So Ved, Sikari is Ved, hunter. Who is he hunting for? Deer. But but we've never heard that a hunter will kill a bandar, monkey, right? But what did your hunter do? He killed the bandar, monkey. He did kill the Ram. In Ram Avatar, Sugriv and Bali, they are brothers. So Sugriv, he made a friend with Sugriv and killed Bali. So why was that necessary? You are saying here, I am Bhagwan. Right. We went in you went in the forest. So why go in the forest? Why you got bow and an arrow? So you have one Vasi, Jata. You know, it's like he had Jata here. And then you say, I'm a Brahmachari. And then you went with Sita and you're roaming around in the forest with Sita Day. So now you got sadhu ways, and then also your younger brother, you took younger brother with you. Radhaji is saying that to the bumblebee. So in Ram Lila, so your friend, that Ram Avatar, in Ram Avatar is not different from your Prabhu. So, and said, oh listen, hey, Radha is saying to bumblebee, you listen. You're saying that there is no fault in your Prabhu. I can speak about so many kathas where he's got fault.
बलि महाराज के पास आए और आकर के बोले देखो तुम्हारे ब्राह्मण पुत्र हूँ, निर्लोभ है, ब्राह्मण हूँ मैं, लोभ नहीं है, चाहिए मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। क्या चाहिए बोली महाराज को, क्या चाहिए?
So Bali Maharaj is saying, what do you need? I need.
छोटे छोटे क्या चाहिए?
So Chota Bali Vaman Bhagwan is asking only 3 steps, small steps. So Bali Maharaj is also very simple hearted. So he said with the Achman, after Achman, he started to give one step, he covered the whole universe. And the second step, and he covered the whole heavenly universes. So how many legs does a human being have? 2. So the more legs you have, that person is very foolish. So Chatuspar, I don't know. Pasu. Chatu means animal. Animals have 4 legs.
क्या बोले? तो जितना अधिक पैर
So the more legs they have, the more foolish. That Radhaji is saying, hey Brahma, how many legs you have? Bumblebee? 6. So it's 6 legs you have.
उससे भी
So you are even more foolish than even a 4-legged animal. So who sent you? Who sent you? Your friend has sent you to me.
तुम जैसे मूर्ख है,
So you are just foolish. You are just foolish, and also your friend is foolish, just like you. So go back. So you showed in the Vaman avatar, you showed only two legs. And Bali Maharaj was simple and said, okay, 2 legs can rest. And then 1 leg and 2 legs. So then you're asking for, but look.
एक पैर जिसमें विशाल
So where did this other leg cover the whole universe? So in a small thing you can get small. A big thing cannot stay in the small thing, right?
इतने विशाल पैर कहाँ से आते?
So where did this great big foot come from?
दिखा छोटा,
It looks small. So Radhaji is saying,
तीसरी पैर कहाँ से निकला?
then okay, chalo, we believe the two legs were there. Then where did the 3rd feet come from?
तीसरी पैर निकला, और वो देखो तीसरी पैर भी
That 3 leg.
निकल, तो एक पैर कहाँ रखा?
So where will I put this 3rd head? So Bali Maharaj said, I've given everything to you. So this 3rd leg or 3rd feet you can put on my head. So now give Atma Nivedan. Can you give everything?
बलि महाराज से बलि महाराज का काम क्या था?
So Bali Maharaj,
आपको नहीं बताने
he did Atma Nivedan. He gave everything.
अच्छा दादा, तो आप भी बलि महाराज के
Still Bali Maharaj, in the Tika, in the commentary, they said that is still not pure bhakti.
नहीं आ रही,
It is
प्योरिटी भक्ति कभी नहीं आती।
still he hasn't got pure bhakti. Why?
भगवान को क्या बना दिया?
What made Bhagwan?
कौन बना?
Bhagwan made him Darpan.
तो लोग में भेज दिए और कहेंगे प्रभु
And said, Prabhu,
हम तो यहाँ पढ़े नहीं, तो
okay, I will stay in the Suttala, but give me one promise. When whichever door I come out,
भगवान का हम क्या बना?
so I will have your darshan. So what did he make? Means Darpa, means a door guide, guide, the security guard at the door. So that is, means that Bali Maharaj is made Bhagwan his sevak.
राधा की सर्वात को
So,
समझना आती? राधा जी क्या करें?
what is Radha ji saying?
प्राण राधा जी स्वर को
Radha Ji's
निवेदन में
Atma Nivedan is the topmost. So
और बलि महाराज भी
Bali Maharaj also did Atma Nivedan, but there's difference. But in Tika, in commentary, it says Radharani is saying in the Viradasha, in the separation mode, their Aishwarya Bhav is there.
तथापि हमारे आचार्य के पास
Then still about Acharya Bhav is saying that
भाव नहीं
that is not our internal Radharani's internal mood.
जन्म के कथा भी बता रहे
Like she's speaking about Krishna's 3 lifetimes katha,
छल कपट है
that he's Chal Kapat.
और हमें तो जितने भी देखते सब सभी के बाद एक ही बात बोलते हैं जिसको मिल जाते हैं
So-
तुम जैसे हमारे प्यारे हैं
Or you will speak to somebody, anyone, and you say, oh, you are so loving, I love you so much. You're my very dear friend, or very dear. Then you meet somebody else, and then you say, oh, you are also very dear to me. Then the Ras, Krishna did many forms, many groups, and dance with the Sakhis, and every Sakhi is saying that, oh, I'm very fortunate that Krishna danced with me. So Radhaji is saying, this Krishna is Chal Kapat. Is there anybody else there? So when Radharani is in man, Krishna comes in that Aishwarya form. So Radhaji is saying, I know everything about Chal Kapat. Hey Sakhi, said Subal Sakha. Super Radharani recognized that. So Krishna is coming she taken the form of a Sakhi. But Radharani says that no, I don't. She knows that he's come in that form. And she says, don't come. You are Chal Kapat, you are duplicate. So in Krishna Leela, Radharani said, sometimes you are a heroine to pacify the man, you come in the heroine's group. Then you come in Male, Mali Hari selling the malas, flower garlands, and then you come in the form of Bengal seller. Yeah. Sham came as a Bengal seller. So I know in Krishna Leela, hey Brahma, that you are saying, hey Brahma, that you don't have any, your friend has no faults because you are new. But hey, your Prabhu is very Chal Kapat. You think how pure he is. He is not pure. He is very crooked. So, if he gets into somebody's heart, then it's very difficult to take him out from somebody's heart because he's so crooked. Like if there's a knife, if a knife goes in the heart, you can pull it out. But he's so crooked that is crooked. Like some thorns are not straight thorns; they are like crooked thorns. And then when the thorn goes inside the cow's feet, it's very difficult to remove the crooked thorn. So when you are doing parikrama, and then you are barefoot doing parikrama, then there is pain, because of these thorns. Some thorns are straight, they're easy to remove, but some thorns are crooked, like it's very difficult to remove from your feet. So that way, Radharani is saying, hey, Saki. So he's speaking to every Saki and saying, hey, Saki, you are the most dear to me. Then he goes to another Saki and says, oh, you are most dear to me. So Radharani is speaking like this in the separation mode. So I know all his avatars. I know his 3 lifetimes avatar. And one Krishna avatar, one is Vamana avatar, and Rama avatar. And what more do you want me to say? So the Brahmari said, my Prabhu is so pure and simple. Parkala. He's inside black and he's outside black. So Radhaji is speaking about the three kathas of 3 avatars of Krishna. So Radhaji is speaking this. So it's not her vow. It's sometimes this Purnamashi. Because so she's doing that of this Purnama. She's saying to Radharani, oh, you go in Man, you are in Man, but you don't know that Krishna is Bhagwan. So the gopis are laughing. Is he Bhagwan? Ram is Ram only got married to one wife. He only had one wife. So he's got beautiful roop. Ram, you have darshan. Everybody is eager to take darshan of Ram. All the ladies that were in Mithila, in Janakpuri, all the ladies, they were attracted with Ram's beautiful form. Even the ladies were thinking, oh, I want to get married to Ram. So even though he had such a beautiful roop, but I'll speak. One pati, one wife say to the husband, look, you are always fighting with me. The husband is saying to the wife, so you are always fighting with me and arguing with me. So you know how many wives did Dashrath Maharaj have? I will get 3 marriages. So I will get 3 marriages. So the husband says, I will go and get married again and have 3 wives. So the wife is saying, but how many? Do you know how many husbands the Draupadi had? So when there is arguments between the husband and wife, they speak like that to each other. So don't challenge anyone. So when the husband is challenging the wife, that wife is no less. She said, okay, you will get married and have 3 wives. So the wife says that Draupadi had more than 3 husbands. So Radhaji is saying, so she's speaking about the Krishna's avatars. So it's not Radharani's katha. So sometimes the Purnamashi is so this Yogmaya Purnamashi is speaking this katha to the Sakhis and Radha. Ram only got married to one wife. Ramchandra has so much nistha because there is a Kshatriya bhav there. And Madhya, Kshatriya bhav means like Madhyada. So he said, whatever happens, even the Parvat, there's a big mountain in the ocean. So even the waves of the ocean, the waves force on this mountain, but the mountain will not move. So there's a Parvat, like in the ocean, there's a mountain. So even the very, very strong waves are hitting this mountain, but nothing happens to the mountain. So Marjada, so Ram like that is so fixed in his rules and regulations and Maryada that nothing can happen. Bachana na chahe. So he will speak to his where Ram meets Bharat, and it was an assembly. Many people came there, and they thought they will be able to explain to Ram and take him back to Ayodhya. Bharat said that if you don't, everybody tried to convince Ram and said, come to Ayodhya. But Ramchandra was fixed in his vows. At the end, who gave the decision? Then it was Janak Maharaj. So when there is prem, then so if you have priti for Ram, then you have to follow his desires. Even the Kaikai said, "Hey Ram, because of my reason you came to forest, I will take that vachan back." So she asked for 14 years to Ram and Bharat the throne. So Ram is saying that who gave me the vachan? Who told me to come in the forest is my father. My father told me to come in the forest 14 years, not because you told me, Kaikai. Did, so you did because the father passed away. So really the deed went to the Bharat. So who can cancel the deed? I cannot take, only the Pitaji can cancel it. So is the Pitaji told him to go to the forest, so it's only Pitaji can do that. So we have to follow what our father said. And he also told Bharat, Ram said to Bharat, so we have to follow what our father said. Then it will be. So if you don't follow what our father said, then you will also get dosh. So the meeting of Ram and Bharat is so nice katha. Then at the end, what did Bharat do? Bharat asked for his paduka. Some people are saying Sorry, I didn't understand what he said there.
मुझे रामचंद्र कह रहे रघुकुल रीति
So I try, even my life goes, but my vachan, my promise will not
सभी
speak.
व्यक्ति के क्या अपने
So Maryada, so Ram is, whatever happens, Ram will stick to his vows. Like a parvat in the ocean, even so the mountain will, in the ocean, will drown. The strong waves will cover the, try to, the mountain will drown but will not move. So Ramchandra is like that. And Krishna, in Krishna Leela,
जब राष्ट्र
it's like in Ras Leela, gopis, when they see Krishna, they get frightened.
कहीं में भाग लेने चले जाओ
So what if they,
कहाँ पर चले गए पता ही
when they don't know when Krishna will leave, the gopis prem, the waves of the ocean bhav, that taranga means the waves of that gopis bhav have, that Krishna is thinking that I will get lost in these bhavs. So Krishna is getting hold of the gopis neck, by the neck, and then the gopis will go away because of that bhav.
एक बार गुरुदेव के साथ गुरुदेव
One time we were with the Gurudev, we had bath in Jagannath Puri. First time I went with Gurudev. It was Purushottam month. So we were having bath in Jagannath Puri, and then a very big wave and took me away, so far away, and then another wave came back. So after that I just don't take bath. Achman bath, I go in Jagannath Puri, I do one dip and then or do Achman, and I come out. After that I don't have bath.
वो याद है बस
I remember that.
ये भगवान
I said,
दस माफ कर दो मेरा एक मित्र था मैं एक ही बात में वो भी जगन्नाथपुरी में
so
वो निराजनपुरी में
in Nilachal Gaudiya Math, he was another brahmachari who was also with me.
एक साल में
He lived, he stayed for 1 year on Ekadasi.
समुद्र स्नान
So he went to have a bath in the ocean.
लहरे में वो
Bath in the waves. He left his body, and after 3 days we found his body. And so the fish, those fish. Yeah, they just found the fishes at all his body. So to swim in the ocean is not that easy. So when you go far away and swim far away in ocean, then it's very difficult to come back, because it's like even the waves are very high there. So the waves, so if they slope, there's not like straight line. If you are slope in the ocean, then that will take you further away in the ocean.
आप सोच रहे हो बहुत आनंद तो होता है
So okay, you're happy, like the waves are taking you up and down and up and down.
बिल्कुल उल्टी तरफ
But underneath the waves is taking you in other direction.
समझ पड़ जाता है
So
गए तो गए मेरे को याद
so if you go, I remember this so well.
हम पिछले कार्य कृष्ण
So why I'm saying this? So Krishna is saying in Ras Leela,
सब जैसे उन्होंने बंदा को हम कासों सदस्य जितन रीत अर्थात भारत ये बड़े सुंदर की
so he's saying this, this fortune of these Sakhis, gopis, that Swayam Krishna is touching with his gopis. So what Acharya is saying, not for the pleasure of the gopis. So in the ordinary way, we think it is for the fortune of the gopis, Sobhagya. But who is his Sobhagya? Is Krishna is fortunate. So the Gopiya's bhav that is in the Ras Leela, with the waves of this bhav, the Ras Leela, so it's the Prem Rupi ocean of Prem. Who is having a bath in the ocean of a Prem of Gopis? Is Krishna is having a bath in that ocean of Prem. So the Sakhis, the Gopis have so many different Prems of waves of Prem. And Krishna cannot even Krishna cannot save himself. That's why what did Krishna do? So he took the support of the gopis. So Krishna took the support of the gopis. Lila ki jai. Shri Ram.